שהחיינו וקיימנו והגיענו לזמן הזה. People have often asked me, Rabbi, how do we know if we're a good Jew? What does it mean to be a good Jew? And I believe there's a very special answer that we can derive from the festival of Hanukkah, which we celebrate now over the next 8 days. On Hanukkah, every single day, we light the Chanukiah or the Hanukkah menorah. But the beauty of this whole concept is that each day we increase one more candle than the day before. So on day 1 we start with 1, day 2, 2 candles, until the entire menorah is lit and we have a beautiful Chanukiah sitting there and shining for all of us to see. And I believe it is that message that can answer how we know if we're a good Jew or a good person for that matter. As long as every single day you're working to better yourself than yesterday and you're increasing in your productivity, in your good deeds, in your actions, then you can say that I'm a good person or a good Jew. And I believe that message applies across the board, whether in your spousal relationships. If you say, you know what, yesterday I had a good relationship with my spouse, but today I want it to be a bit better, and tomorrow even better. Or my connection with my children, or whatever aspect you might be involved with, as long as you're increasing until you have one big beautiful menorah at the end of the festival.
Oh, I'll light candles.
Yeah.
Latkes.
Yeah.
Might get donuts for the kids.
Beautiful.
I'll get some gold coins for my grandson. And
Wow.
that'll be it.
That's
Of
it.
enjoyment and celebrate the victory of the Israelites. So it's a memorable time and enjoyment.
A giant leather spinning top with 4 different letters on it, a high and a nun and a kim.
It's a miracle of the menorah. We ran out of oil, but yet it's still burnt all the way through. So it's a miracle.
Lots. Lights.
Lots. Anything else?
Singing songs.
I'd like to wish you and your family a Chag Sameach. May you have a beautiful and enjoyable festival of lights, the festival of Hanukkah. And may the light of Hanukkah bring true joy and glow to your homes, to your families, and to your hearts. Thanks.